In the updated Tesla app version 4.20 Plus, as of December 2025, accessing your referral link is straightforward. Open the Tesla app on your iOS or Android device. Navigate to the main menu by tapping the hamburger icon, three horizontal lines, typically located in the top corner of the screen. Look for the Referrals or Refer a Friend option in the menu list and tap it. Once in the Referrals section, you'll find options to generate your unique referral link or QR code. Tap the button that says Refer Friends or similar. The app will create a personalized referral URL, such as tesla.com/refer your code. A QR code will also be generated for easy sharing. This link is what you'll share with potential buyers. The Tesla app provides multiple ways to share your referral link. You can directly copy the link to your clipboard by tapping the copy icon. The app also offers options to share directly via messaging apps like SMS or WhatsApp, social media platforms such as Instagram or TikTok, or through email. Choose the method that works best for you to reach your network. Tesla's referral program offers dynamic rewards that change based on current promotions. As of 2025, referrers can earn supercharger credits ranging from $500 to $1,000 for each successful vehicle referral. There are also bonuses available for referring multiple customers or high-value purchases, like Cybertruck buyers. These credits can be used at Tesla supercharger stations worldwide. The referees, or new buyers, may receive discounts on their purchase or other perks as part of the program. To see the most current reward details, always check the Referrals section of the Tesla app, as these rewards can vary and are regularly updated. The Referrals section in the Tesla app lets you track your referral activities. You can view your referral history, check the status of pending rewards, and see how many credits you've earned. Open the app and navigate to the Referrals tab to access this information. The interface shows your completed referrals and any pending ones awaiting verification. Look for sections showing your referral history and earned credits. The app displays how many credits you've accumulated and their current status. Remember that referral credits are typically applied to your account 1 to 2 weeks after the referred purchase is completed and verified by Tesla. The Tesla referral program has specific eligibility requirements and limits designed to ensure fairness and prevent abuse. The program is generally open to Tesla vehicle owners or users who have downloaded the Tesla app and maintain an active account. This ensures that participants are verified Tesla customers. To maintain fairness, there are limits such as a cap of 10 referrals per year per user. The program is active globally, but may be restricted in certain regions due to regulatory requirements. Referral rewards expire if not used within 12 months. Tesla has tightened rules to prevent abuse, requiring all referrals to be verified before credits are issued, often taking 1 to 2 weeks after delivery. To maximize your Tesla referral rewards, avoid these common mistakes that can invalidate your referrals. The most common mistake is when someone you refer makes a purchase without using your specific referral link. Only purchases made through your unique link or code will be credited to you. Tesla has implemented stricter eligibility rules to combat abuse. Your referral must lead to a genuine, completed sale that gets verified. Attempting to game the system through fake referrals or violations can result in your account being suspended. Finally, regularly review the referral program's terms and conditions. Tesla updates these frequently, and not staying informed could mean missing out on rewards or accidentally invalidating valid referrals due to changed rules. If your referral link isn't working, first ensure you're using the latest version of the Tesla app. Clear the app's cache and data, or try reinstalling it. If the problem persists, contact Tesla support directly through the app or website. Be prepared to provide details like your referral code and the order information of the person you referred.